Is your glow fading and you don't know why? There are 7 daily habits secretly killing your natural radiance without you even realizing it. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix them, fast. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe, because after today, your skin will never look the same again. Why your glow is fading. Have you ever looked at old photos and wondered, why did my skin used to look so fresh, tight, and glowing, and now it looks dull, tired, and aged? The truth is, glow doesn't disappear overnight. It fades when you make small daily mistakes, habits that seem normal but damage your skin slowly over time. Glow isn't just about fairness or whitening, but hydration, blood circulation, collagen levels, clear pores, balanced skin barrier. When any of these are compromised, your face starts looking dull and lifeless. The good news, all of these are fixable, and fast. Let's start with habit number 1. Habit number 1. Skipping morning hydration. Most people wake up, grab their phone, drink coffee, or rush into the day without water. The biggest mistake. Missing morning hydration. Touching your face constantly. Most people unconsciously touch their face hundreds of times a day, rubbing the chin, resting hands on cheeks, or picking at blemishes. Why this kills your glow: transfers dirt, oil, and bacteria from your hands, clogs pores, gives breakouts, spreads infection, gives acne marks, slows natural healing, gives dull, uneven skin. Keep your hands away from your face. Use a clean towel or tissue if you must touch your face within 1 to 2 weeks of reducing face touching. You'll notice fewer breakouts and smoother skin. Habit number 7. Poor sleep and late nights. Beauty sleep is not a myth. Skin repairs and regenerates mostly while you sleep. When sleep is irregular or late, blood circulation drops, collagen production slows, skin becomes dull, lifeless, and more prone to fine lines, eye bags, and dark circles worsen. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Stick to a sleep schedule. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed. Consider silk pillowcases to reduce friction. Better sleep equals naturally brighter, firmer, glowing skin. Diet tips to boost your natural glow. Skin glow, ISNT, just about what you put on it, it's also about what you eat. Foods that improve glow: citrus fruits, vitamin C for collagen, berries, antioxidants, fight aging. Nuts, healthy fats for soft skin. Leafy greens detoxify and brighten. Carrots and pumpkin, beta-carotene for radiance. Fatty fish, omega-3, south, reduce inflammation. Tip: include a colorful plate daily for maximum results. Foods that kill glow. Sugary snacks gives accelerate aging. Processed foods gives inflammation. Excess caffeine gives dehydrates. Skin alcohol gives dulls and dry skin. Lifestyle habits to glow faster. Hydrate regularly to 3 liters of water. Daily exercise daily boosts blood flow. Oxygenates skin. Stress management, meditation, deep breathing, or light yoga. Regular exfoliation -1 to 2 times per week to remove dead cells. Face massage to 5 minutes daily increases circulation and reduces puffiness. Even small changes in your lifestyle can dramatically revive your natural radiance. Skincare routine for maximum glow. Morning cleanser gives vitamin C serum, gives moisturizer, gives sunscreen. Evening cleanser gives hydrating serum, gives moisturizer, gives eye cream. Optional. Face masks 1 to 2 times a week for extra radiance. Consistency is key. Glow comes when your skin knows it is cared for daily. Quick glow fixes instant results. Ice cube massage reduces puffiness and tightens skin. Honey and lemon mask brightens complexion. Aloe vera gel hydrates and smooths. Green tea compress reduces inflammation. Use these once or twice a week for an extra boost. But remember, daily habits matter most. Morning routine, 6 a.m. 9 a.m. Step 1. Morning hydration. Drink 300 to 400 milliliters of warm water with lemon immediately after waking. Benefits: flushes toxins, improves circulation, and provides vitamin C for collagen. Step 2. Quick face massage. Use fingertips to gently massage your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Focus on jawline, cheeks, and under eye area. Boosts blood flow, giving instant radiance. Step 3. Gentle movement. Light stretches or a 10-minute walk increases oxygen supply to the skin and stimulates natural glow. Step 4. Breakfast for radiance options. Oats plus berries plus chia seeds, smoothie, spinach, banana, almond milk. Eggs with avocado on whole grain toast. Hydrating and nutrient-rich foods enhance glow from within. Mid-morning, 1:00 a.m., 1:00 p.m., hydration and refresh. Drink coconut water or plain water. Snack on cucumber slices or an orange. Avoid these sugary snacks, chips, or excessive caffeine. These cause inflammation and dull the skin. Mini face hack: apply aloe vera gel or hydrating mist to keep skin fresh. Light massage for 30 seconds increases blood flow and glow. Lunch routine, 12 p.m., 2 p.m. Lunch tips. Focus on lean proteins, vegetables, and complex carbs. Examples: grilled chicken, quinoa, lentil salad, steamed veggies. Foods to avoid: fried items, heavy sauces, processed foods, high-sodium meals. Dehydrate skin and reduce radiance. Quick glow. Hack: apply sunscreen. If you step outside, UV rays can fade glow even on cloudy days. Afternoon, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., hydration window. Drink lemon water or green tea to maintain hydration and flush toxins. Light movement, 10 to 15-minute walk or gentle yoga, stimulates blood flow and reduces afternoon skin dullness. Skin boosts, snack berries, nuts, or a small smoothie. Antioxidants fight oxidative stress and keep your glow alive. Evening routine, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Dinner tips: keep it light and balanced. Steamed veggies, grilled fish, or tofu. Low-salt meals help maintain hydration and prevent puffiness. Face care: wash face gently. Apply hydrating serum or moisturizer. Avoid sugary drinks, pizza, heavy fried foods. They create dullness and breakouts. Nighttime routine, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Hydrate and prepare for sleep. Half glass of water before bed. Reduces overnight dehydration, which causes dullness and under-eye circles. Sleep tips: 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. Silk pillowcase reduces friction and wrinkles. Deep breathing or 5-minute meditation relaxes facial muscles and enhances skin repair. Exercises to boost skin glow. 1. Face lymphatic massage. Use fingers to massage jawline, gives cheeks, gives under eye, reduces puffiness and improves circulation. 2. Cheek lifts. Smile and lift cheeks with fingertips, tightens facial muscles and enhances radiance. 3. Eye area massage. Circular motions under eyes with ring finger reduces dark circles and brightens under eye skin. 4. Neck stretch and massage. Tilt head back gently. Massage neck and collarbone area, improves blood flow to face, keeping skin healthy. Skincare boosts weekly habits. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times per week. Use brightening mask or honey lemon mask. Apply face serum with vitamin C or hyaluronic acid. Daily musts. Cleanser gives serum, gives moisturizer, gives sunscreen. Morning cleanser gives serum, gives moisturizer. Evening instant glow hacks. Ice cube massage gives tightens skin. Aloe vera gel gives hydration. Boost green tea compress gives reduces inflammation and redness. Honey mask gives softens and brightens. Use 1 to 2 times per week for quick radiance, but daily habits matter more. Advanced anti-aging and glow strategies. 1. Antioxidant power. Skin aging and dullness happen due to free radicals. Include antioxidant-rich foods: blueberries, strawberries, pomegranate, spinach, kale, broccoli. Nuts like almonds and walnuts. Tip: a smoothie with berries plus spinach daily helps repair skin and maintain a youthful glow. 2. Collagen support. Collagen keeps skin firm, plump, and glowing. Support collagen naturally with bone broth, chicken, or fish. Vitamin C. Citrus fruits to aid collagen synthesis. Gelatin-based desserts or supplements optional daily habit. Morning lemon water plus protein-rich breakfast equals collagen boost plus skin hydration. 3. Hydration timing. Drink water throughout the day, not just in the morning. Aim for 2 to 3 liters, depending on your activity level. Hydration improves circulation, keeps skin plump, and flushes toxins that cause dullness. 4. Green tea and herbal drinks. Green tea contains polyphenols, fight free radicals, and promote glow. Herbal teas, like chamomile or rosehip, boost antioxidants and hydration. Avoid sugary additives. Long-term foods for radiance. Daily glow plate breakfast: oats plus berries plus chia seeds plus almond milk. Mid-morning snack: citrus fruit or cucumber slices. Lunch: lean protein plus leafy greens plus complex carbs. Afternoon: green tea plus nuts. Dinner: steamed veggies plus grilled fish or tofu optional. Evening: aloe vera gel or honey mask. Key: colorful, nutrient-rich plates equals glowing skin from inside. Foods to avoid: long-term excess sugar gives dull, uneven skin. Fried or processed foods gives inflammation. Alcohol gives dehydrated, tired-looking skin. Excess caffeine gives dehydrated, saggy skin. Daily habits for maximum glow: morning hydration and lemon water. Gentle face massage to stimulate circulation. Consistent skincare routine: cleanse gives serum, gives moisturizer, gives SPF. Regular exercise to increase oxygenation. Balanced diet rich in antioxidants, protein, and healthy fats. Adequate sleep for repair and regeneration. Stress management, meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. Face exercises for lifelong glow. 1. Lifting and firming. Smile wide. Lift cheeks with fingertips. Hold 5 to 10 seconds. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Firms facial muscles and reduces sagging. 2. Jawline sculpt. Tilt head back slightly and push lower jaw forward gently. Tightens jawline, enhances definition, promotes circulation. 3. Eye area brightening. Circular motion under eyes with ring finger. Reduces puffiness, dark circles, and brings radiance. 4. Neck stretch and massage. Gentle backward tilt plus massage collarbone. Improves blood flow to face, reduces tension, and keeps skin smooth. Instant glow hacks for special days. Ice cube massage gives tightened skin, reduces puffiness. Honey plus lemon mask gives brightens and softens. Aloe vera gel gives hydration and soothing. Green tea compress gives reduces inflammation and redness. Note, use 1 to 2 times a week for instant boost, but daily habits give long-term glow. Final tips for maintaining radiance: consistency is key. Even the best routines fail if not consistent. Morning plus night routines: never skip hydration or face care. Track your skin, notice improvements. Adjust habits if dullness returns. Avoid stress and sleep deprivation. Stress hormones accelerate aging. Use natural products, minimal chemicals for sensitive skin. 7 habits and fixes. Habit fix results: skipping morning hydration, lemon water plump. Refreshed skin, rubbing face with towel pat dry, no collagen damage. Skipping sunscreen indoors, daily SPF prevents aging and dullness. Not washing before bed, cleanse face pores unclogged. Skipping moisturizer, moisturize daily. Soft, smooth skin, touching face constantly. Keep hands away, fewer breakouts. Poor sleep and late nights, 7 to 8 hours sleep. Regeneration and radiance: combine these with proper diet. Hydration, exercises, and skincare gives your natural glow is fully restored. Now you have the complete 4-part glow blueprint. Morning to night. Habits to fix, foods to eat, exercises to do, and hacks to brighten instantly. If you want to see real transformation in your skin in just 30 days, start following this routine from tomorrow morning. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we share the best skin, beauty, and health tips every week. Comment below which habit you refixing first, and I promise your glow journey starts today.